Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna teach you how to insert a waterfall chart, and what a waterfall chart is all about. When you're running a small business, you know it is crucial to know what are your gains, what are your losses, if it's a profit, if you're profiting, or if you're losing income. Instead of reading all of those boring financial statements, you can also show it in a waterfall chart, which is much more easier and visually appealing, and you can get straight to the point. And if your business is in doom, you would know right away. So let's get to it. So how you insert a waterfall chart is first, you highlight all the information. Then you go to insert. Then you go over to right here. And right over here you can see it will say waterfall. And as you can see from this chart, it is what they added and the subtracted of the total from the gross profit, and then you can also see the revenue of it. And to make it more visually appealing, let me first format it. So format the chart area. So correction, sorry on my end. To make it more visually appealing, all you need to do is click onto the gross margin. And you'll see, if you have clicked it correctly, is the gross margin, it is highlighted, and the rest of it that is not a gross margin, it is faded out. Then all you need to do is set it as a total. Set as a total. And since the gross margin, it is revenue minus cost, you will see that right now the gross margin, it is now in green. Now I'll teach you how to set the net income. Same thing as how you just set up the gross margin for the net income for the total. All you need to do is now click on the net income, double click on it, set that as a total, and there you have it. This is a really good whole entire waterfall chart that you can now show it to your boss. I am now going to show you how to do the tree map chart on my next video. For now, let's move this chart over to a brand new sheet. All you need to do is click move chart, and this will be waterfall chart. Hope this video helps. Any other questions, feel free to drop it in the drop box or in the comment section. Have a great day. Bye for now.